Ah, oh,
Oh
that's hot.
shit. Here we
That's
go
hot.
again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we can continue our process of using the $25 digital business and promoting it on My Lead Gen Secrets here. I think this is the 25th day, I think I want to say. So we almost done with a month, guys. And but you know what's special about the $25 digital business is its affiliate system in which you get recurring commissions, and it's 80% recurring commission. So every sign up, so say somebody paid $25, you get $20 out of that $25, which is absolutely amazing. And the system you're buying is a funnel. It's a funnel builder. It's just not like something you plug in and you don't buy nothing when you buy it. You buy something. Because a lot of programs like this, not only are they not paying 80%, but it's usually not buying anything. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's continue on with this, right? So you can get $20, but you also can get $100 off the same person and end up. And usually, and with the all-in-one digital business, it comes together. You know, the $100 monthly commission comes together for free when you buy it. So it's usually an incentive to get the $100 monthly commission because it's like a ton of developed training from people who made a lot of money off of this, and so it's very useful information. So anyway, we're gonna continue on going with it. So first thing first, we're gonna log into My Lead Gen Secrets here. Now we need to come up with a subject line and a body. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna write one. We're gonna write one ourselves here. Let's come here. Let's look around a little bit. Copy. Here go a good title. We'll just do that. Fit first name fits enough. I think that works really well. So we're gonna go with that. Now let's find something right here. It's our goal to help you create to get you abundance of time, money, and dream. All in one 25, so you can see results in as little as 24 hours. Alright, so this is a good piece of information to put in. Alright, so we go paste. That. We just enter it in, right? But we want to make this, I don't know how big. Let's go with 12. It looks a little too small. So we'll go with 14. Looks okay. All right, so that's what we're going with. All right, so we're gonna base it out here like that. I think that looks pretty good. We're gonna bold these. Bold. All in one 25 business. And let's go with, so let's make this right here. Not worry about the product. done for you. Copy. We're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna paste it in. Right, we're gonna paste it in like that. Right here, we're gonna hit condense like that, and we're gonna make it 14 as well. Okay, we're gonna bold it, I think, without. It's a list of stuff you get, and you know, just some benefits from joining the $25 business. You don't gotta deal with all of this stuff to make a lot of money. You know what I mean? So it's very carefully placed like that. Now, this is an email. That's all you need. You don't need too much information on the email, because what's gonna happen is you so I'm gonna take all of this. We're not gonna bold it. Make sure we look at this. Right, we're gonna italicize this, I think. That this button, I think, yeah, we're gonna put one of those in there. That looks pretty good. This is gonna be our link here. All-in-one $25 digital business. So that's where we're gonna place our link. Now for you guys, it's very simple. What you're gonna do is come here, get this sales letter here. All-in-one 25 digital business sales letter. You get that link there. You only get this once you sign into the system. You're paying for the system, all right? So you can't promote it if you're not paying for it. And it takes you to this page. It'll take people to this page right here. Very easy sale page. You know, it tells you exactly what you get. You know, a lot of information on it in general. All right, so, and oh guys, if you want to sign in, guys, you just read through this. You're very interested, you get to the bottom here, right? And like I stated before, you get it all for $25 right now. $25 right now, and you get the funnel build and all that. And if you want access to the training, all the training and all the talk to people who making a lot of money with this, 7-figure earners, you know, people using and they'll tell you how, you know, the training to get you there as well, as fast as possible. Then you click on this as well, and then you sign in. You know what I mean? And that's how you go ahead and get your business running real quick. I'm not using that particular training now because I personally want to see how well it does with my lead gen secrets for a month before I start really seriously trying to promote it. But I'm in a financial situation where I can do that. You know what I mean? So it's okay for me, but I want you guys to just hit the bell running. You know what I mean? Once you sign in. So that's why I'm telling you guys this. Anyway, let's go ahead and keep it moving. Anyway, like I stated before, you'll get your link here. I personally made a domain name to make the link look a little cleaner, so I'm just gonna go for that. It's the same thing. It's the same link. Go to the same place. The link just looks cleaner. See, mcomspeech.com sales. I just bought a domain just to be able to do that. So, boom, and there you go. Now we're gonna hit the preview here. It looks like a pretty clean. It looks pretty clean in general, you know. Or ticky. Let's make this a little shorter. If it is, let's do something like that. Make it a little shorter along this line here. You know, see what I'm saying? So anyway, we're gonna go with that. Hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time that people check their emails. So if I gotta go up and make sure I get, I'm glad it tells me I ain't got no leads and thing. But anyway, we're gonna send an email like that. pretty clean email. I think it'll work because it's pretty short, very easy to read, very simply put together, and it's very on brand for all-in-one $25 digital. It's not like a random email. It's very on brand with it, so it's very okay. So all right, so we're gonna go to account. We're gonna make another tab with my lead gen secrets. We're gonna go to that new tab and we're gonna log out because we're going to our second account here and sending that same email. So let's do that. Now what I want to do is copy. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I was just looking at some stuff. Paste. All right. Gonna copy paste. I'm do the same thing here. Copy paste. All right, that's it. Send the email. Wait till it sends, then we're gonna go to our next account here. All right, log out. I noticed in my old videos sometimes I did kind of talk low. That's my normal voice. I talk real low normally. I did try to talk a little louder, enunciate much clearer so you guys can understand what I'm saying here. All right, so we're gonna go to my next account here, and we're gonna do the same thing. Boom. All right, copy, paste. Delete all that. Perfect timing. Copy, paste. All right, we done. Yep, that's it. All right, so we send that email. Boom, we're done. All right, so guys, you know, you can make a lot of money with this system. Like I said, each person in is $120 per month. That's insane, and they don't even pay. You know, it's 80% the commission, so it's a lot of money you're making here. So I just want to make sure I clarify that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.